My name's Rinehart. I've been with ACM for 10 years. Abatement is the removal of hazardous material, making places safe for air quality, common people being able to live in a safe space. So with piping, insulation, thermal insulation, a lot of times you have aerosol pipe or even fiberglass pipe, and then where the joints come together or you have elbows or T's, you end up with mudded fittings, and that's what this is. This is a patched mudded fitting that was missed when they did the abatement back in the 90s. And so all we're gonna do is set up a mini containment and then remove that asbestos material, so when they come in to do the general construction demo, there is no asbestos in the area.
So like you can see, like all these used to have a bunch of joints on them. So you can see where the elbows are at. They all used to be a hard packed butt.
The more we can teach, the safer everybody is, and the better job we can do as a company. So being able to be trained in these things give you a lot of knowledge. 40-hour certified, RRP certified, for lead, first aid certified, HAZWOPER, 40-hour HAZWOPER certified. Every day you do this, you learn something new. Every day that you get retrained in something, I mean, I hold over 35 certifications and I'm still going and getting certified in other stuff, because as life goes on, we're finding out silica dust now is bad. So now I'm learning about that. And that was 5 years ago, but there's always gonna be a new material that we're finding out is hazardous. And so it's always, how is a new and better way of dealing with it? One, cost effective, and two, safe-wise for employees. There's an art to setting containment on how the poly will lay, how it will pull with the negative air, also how it'll come down without tearing walls, and how you're able to clean the containment. And that's one of the biggest things we teach is cleanliness and PPE and wearing it correctly and how to protect ourselves and our families. We're here to be better people and help people. That is what our business is, to take care of hazardous materials and help people in bad situations.
You know how Chris was telling us how to set up the containment? This is actually how he was trying to tell everybody. It's kind of hard to explain how to build a containment, but to show how it's built is a lot easier. As you can see here, we've completely contained this entire area just for that little section of pipe. We went through the trouble of just taping each and every pipe and each end of them. Like you can see, Charles, he had to cut the tape just to make sure it would get into those crevices of that tape, of those pipes, so we couldn't get anything in and around here. The reason why we have the tape on the fiberglass up there is because if we didn't have the tape on there, all the fibers from the fiberglass would kick up during our test, and it's going to fail our test because of all the loose fibers of fiberglass kicking here.
I mean, I've made a career out of it. You know, there's ways you can grow in this business to provide for your family and live in the place you love.